Smart Integrated Handheld Welder. Defining the next era of smart laser technology. Touchscreen interface, 2-button activation. Innovative T-mode boosts penetration by 30%. Instant boot up, 0 delay. Energy-efficient design, saves time and costs. Precision wire feed control, superior beam quality, uniform brightness. Guided wire path eliminates wire breakage and misalignment. Light-off sync technology, 1-pass welding, 0 waste. Maximizes efficiency with flawless seams. Smooth and uniform welds. Ergonomic golden angle design prevents hand fatigue. Quick switch smart keys for instant mode changes. Dust-proof tech boosts lens lifespan by 60%. Multifunction nozzle, cut, clean, de-rust. Handheld Welder series. Powerful tech for unmatched welding control.